I have a 2008 Honda Odyssey, and it just so happens that I was unable to find the speaker adapter or template on Amazon. I could not find it. So here's my speaker hack. As you know, Honda made, it seems, non-standard speakers, 3 holes instead of the 4. Speakers from Amazon, there's a speaker between 5 and 7. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting out the speakers. I'm trying to think maybe we could use this as a brace. I'm not sure yet. I wanted to cut a wooden template and attach the speaker there, but I just didn't have time. But that will probably be the optimal solution. I don't know why Honda wasn't thinking about the aftermarket speakers, but we got our new speakers, and of course they're the 4s, and Honda has the 3s. So what I'm gonna do is I cut the speaker out using the Dremel, right? Just cut around. Okay. I cut the base of the speaker out using the Dremel, so it looks like that. Okay, just cut the speaker out. And then I took some of this weather stripping that I use on the Kia and just put it around the edge. So what I do is I'm gonna take, so this is gonna be the top, and we want this part to be on the bottom, right? So I think we can fit the speaker in there, right? And then it just so happens that the cover for the speaker fits perfectly in there, and I'm wondering if that's going to give us enough space. And then I'm thinking I could just zip tie this cover there and there. I only have 2 more zip ties left, but let's see if it works. Maybe I can zip tie it here and there. Maybe that will give it. Yeah, so this is what this looks like now. The speaker is in there. Okay, so this is what we got right now. Okay, I gotta find 2 more zip ties there and there. I was able to install all 4 speakers using the original speakers as a brace, and it worked out perfectly.